This video will show you how to use the navigation panel in Pixlr. It's over here on your right. What navigation panel allows you to do is to zoom out, or I really use it for zooming in, so you can work on specific parts of your image and get really close up. So I can zoom in and notice there is a red box that is zooming, gets smaller and smaller as I zoom in. So the red box, if you click in the middle of the red box, you can move it around to get to whatever part of the picture that you want. Now the nice thing about the navigation panel, you can see I've got pixels here. I can see the little squares that make up an image. I can get even closer and see more pixels. So this really does well if I want to erase something and I want to be careful. If I zoom in and I can see what part of the picture I want. Okay, I'm going to take my eraser. Once again, I can make my brush size small too. And then I can go onto my picture and I can literally click on pixel by pixel and erase. So if I'm trying to erase a section, this is the only section right here. This little red section is all that I'm seeing. I can make it a little bigger if I wanted to. So I still know I'm inside the blue part of my orange. And I can erase and I can make my brush bigger. So now my brush is bigger and it does erase more. But remember, I'm still in this little part. So if I back out, here's what I was erasing. Okay? It also can be good for coloring something different. If I want to change the color, I can take like a marker tool and go in and change the color. Now notice my brush size is big, that's fine. But just say I want to color the whole inside. So I might use this bigger brush. But when I get to the ends and I'm worried, I can make my brush smaller and I can zoom in on the parts that I missed and get very specific with what I am doing. So if I want to make sure I get rid of all of the blue and not miss and keep all the white, I can do this, and I can make my brush even smaller and literally blank on, hang on a minute, if I'm going all the way down in the size, I can literally click on pixel by pixel by pixel by pixel. So the navigation panel is super helpful when you want to do the ultimate in detailed work. See, I can move it around again, go pixel by pixel, or just drag it. But like I said, I can change my brush size and get a lot of space. But if I'm nervous about my endpoints, I can make my brush size smaller and get more. I am clicking and dragging. And that's really what the helpful thing on the navigation panel. So when I zoom out, there we go. That's it.